pwede kayong pumasok din sa loob. That one is heritage.
Only try a little bit.
Okay, a little bit only, okay? Yeah, the one is looks scary.
Activating. Oh.
No, that one is cannot here, other side. Ito yung kuweba, guys. O, itatry lang natin ng konti. Titingnan natin.
We're going inside.
Medyo madilim lang siya. O, kuweba yan, kuweba. Tapos, ano siya, doon sa loob, doon sa taas.
Oh, that's someone who have home beach.
Ang nice ng beauty, no? Picture natin ka, Jay. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Saka, gilid na siya ng kalsada. Oh. Ayan. Kanwe? I just see it only. We just see.
I have my flashlight ready. I got my flashlight ready.
Oh, this one ang yan, mga ko iba lang. Titingin lang naman kami.
I got the lights.
Don't be scared, Bon.
Who's there?
Why is there a cage?
I thought there was someone hanging.
Oh.